Ah. Hey, shit.
Ada? Again,
she just scratched this morning. I bet if you do, use packer.
You don't get infection?
Jessica. Ah. Hey, shit.
Ada? Again, what is it?
I tire. She just scratched this morning. I bet if you do, use packer.
Ramoto can Ramota be removed. Wash your mouth in this house, so. Can't you use packer?
No, can't give no every time I go against you. Why the truth always they paying for body?
My sister, see me. I tell her say she gets infection. She say no.
What infection you get? You don't get infection.
Jessica, what is happening here? What is happening here? Can you?
Anita, one woman do not buy. Come on, have that chip here now. Mama, take Hamas now infection. Go there for the house. Mak na obi no na akọcha block. Hamas now infection.
Hey, nyada now. You see go you pass go have a name. Jessica. You know me. I'm going one na madu. I'm call ya.
Jessica,
just look at the good.
Jessica. Get you within the bubble like you scatter see go mo yi ga kumi here. O mo yi ga kumi here.
Anita biko edebere o. Edebere kwa. Aka someone we go ku o. Ke cause this now get one no. Ako be me back na go back. Also is there down. You go mind your speech. That's your mama.
Oh, Anita have go in under.
I'm dirty.
Biko. Get him prompt no. What happened? What really happened? What really happened?
Babe, say I will tell you. Okay, she came in scratching, Then, in fact, the both of us told her that she has infection. She started arguing.
Hey! Waka. Over waka don't give some people infection. Watch your mouth, oh! Watch your mouth! Ada, if you show me all infection being here.
For the past 2 days now, since 2 days they do the week
disease. I got me infection. Money bull infection.
But
because what no more can go see what's an infection now. I'm not much about it.
Too much flattening.
Hey, Jessica. Can't get with too much flexing. Yes! Can't get with too much flexing. It's going to happen to anybody. This is infection. It can even happen to any of us here.
It cannot happen to me.
Nah, you think God got too much. Cheryl, can't get what be too much. You might have infection. Infection now will get source on access. Can't even with infection. Oh. Now, you can get infection through toilets. Even hair. You can get infection through there.
really?
Yes. Oh. Even toothbrush that you're using to brush your mouth, you can get infection through there. Okay. Oh yeah, but you watch it.
I can't.
Oh, don't worry, hey, get you call Mona gay again. Mona Gama will affair again. Can you not call it her? And when's me call, so when me care, or do it possible? Oga, aside your money, I'm a need you gig at home. I'm not doubting Kama. I'm a need you go need a punite. You get 300,000. I know, but think about it now. You see, be somebody, I'm not people talking where affair with me without protection. Going to make to happen. Oh, Bruna! He gave wait, Sumuga, Uno, my own doctor, Elele Giaro, I have an drug in Aro, then all the only women I give you when make aside from that, if a good infection, he beating, if a going into a woman, I get it in a boy hand. I'm not a barrow game, but think about it now. Biko, the only way mona gi we roll per again na I ga-eso I ga visit your hospital. Enene go ofuma afu ni bro oria. You afu ni bro infection. Mona ga enwe ike we flows here go.
So what they I don't know ofuma.
Open ikwete ni ihe ngwa gi later call me back, okay? I'm here for you. All right, Chisike.
Ada, what is it going on?
Can you imagine nonsense? Can you imagine? The same guy that gave me infection still wants to sleep with me without protection. What? Can you imagine?
Okay, guys, you go away. I don't know.
If you say for promising him 300,000 naira, he promised me 300k just to lay with me. Last time more than that.
Ada,
Don't mind him.
What if this time na HIV? What see you good?
Hey! Don't be me and them, brother Monafa. Chukwaju.
Mana, what card baka? What should you do go? He wants to use it for ritual. You should go with 300,000. Because all together, all good.
Okay, hold on now.
And he's even willing to pay any amount as in for it.
I'm telling you.
I think the man is up to something, or he carry something for my way want to.
Calm down,
Everybody.
Yes, you might be right. Maybe, just maybe. What the Kakamoko on a Chichi and war big? But wait, what's it make all these guys they like to enjoy sex without condom?
Not true, be that though. Not true.
Drama. Maybe, some of them like having only one girlfriend should in case any do mess something and call the girl.
Exactly.
My sister, how married man, he's married.
How you go take expect person when no dey faithful to your wife will come dey faithful to you? Wey beside chick, Abba, Johnson, Swam, no mumu yourself o.
What the way for? Who here mad naga on a Lagos sir? It's a little walking that.
That's the word.
Hey. Ada, in a juke condom agari.
Ebe anọ ego go to na bia head. Abroad nke akpọrọ m gaa hotel echi ma onwe ka m si gafe ụzọ. Asị m no condom, no condom. Ana m ebuse, ana m agba spare na mpo.
Ada, you jack again na chemist na spray go condom.
Before uncle.
Jessica, what number? Okay, go condom.
Mama, you have go condom. Let me well.
Senti
Hey, Chimo. Ada, you push condom na
ya boro.
Hey, if you want
Jessica,
I'm not going to go ID card.
Jessica,
You was documented. I don't know actually mean the jacket with that condom.
Okay,
Maybe you can go condom.
okay, for more one ever.
If I'm not going
If you like you program, Sinangeli go condom.
Oh,
come on, see what can you go take more? I ban no ever yam. When I come down, condom.
Okay, what if was it na nda ho si na fe mo condom? What will you do?
Oje go tell you.
Nezene yo.
Bebe, mumu, oga chuma dem.
Okay.
you so nylon.
Nah.
Nylon na.
If you want Jessica.
Is that you?
Oh, you so nylon. Man, you said no one again, wow. It's not easy.